the leg actions for the leg actions. How to understand legs? Yeah. So stay in your step, 2 beautiful straight legs. So the first thing what should happen for you is you're gonna bend that free leg, and the knee should touch, but foot should stay at the same location here on the high toe position. So that's number 1. So let's come back to it. So this is your step. So you just bend your knee and the knee are kissing. You see here? So this is position. Very good. So let me demonstrate. So from here, just knee kissing. Like if you want to really go deep into it, there is like a pendulum action. There is a little bit rotation and squeezing. And this knee is going back. And this touch. Or you can just think this leg, just knee kissing. That's number 1. Because here you already have mistake, because moment you bend the knee, you're moving your foot. Got it? So we have to delay that foot, create resistance between that foot. Very good. So knee kissing, number 1. Okay, foot stay at the same position. Now from here, your knee kissing, foot stays there. Now your knee, start pulling your foot forward. So your calf muscle touch, and now your feet touch on very high toe position. No, not like here. You see, you're doing this. It has to be high toe position. So from here, knee kissing, the knee pulling your foot to this neutral position. Now your foot touch. So knee touch, foot touch. So try that. Here, knee touch, foot touch. No, do it again. Because you knee touch, and now you see when your knee bent, foot should go on the high toe position. No, that's not good enough. High toe position to here. Now, same time, what happens here? This knee is pushing back. This one, the standing one, is pushing back. So try again. So this is you landed to your step. Now your knee, bend your knee, knee kissing. So knee touch here. Now knee pulling the foot forward, and foot is like doesn't want to go. Now from here, your knee goes to this 90-degree position. From here, it's straightening, a little bit slide, receive your weight, and now use back foot to finish your weight. And the process repeats on the other leg, the same. So let's do it again. You stay behind, so I can show. So from here, this is good. So you arrived. Now number 1, knee kissing. Now this knee pulling your foot to the neutral position, to the 90-degree, straight the leg. Now from here, you can use back foot to complete your body weight transferring. And then the same on the other leg. Let's try again. Here, and knee. So foot slightly delayed. Very good. Now in resistance to a standing leg. Very good. Walk. Stay here. Very good. Now, for example, if you want to do a twist from here, like a turn, so the same technique applies. So you turn your body. Now your knee bends, foot stay there. Not like this, like this. And then as you turn your body, turn your hip, there is a little bit delay in that foot. So you see the knee kissing first, then this brushing with the foot touching, and then you straighten your leg. Then you can do not only rumba walks, you can do also a twist. So here, knee touch, boom, a little bit later, yes. And here you feel resistance, like this knee is going back. Now straight this leg, walk, transfer. Now from here, this foot doesn't want to go. So turning your body to me, bend your knee. Very good. And then come, walk. Walk. So for example, if you want to do Alemana turn, so go here,